So let's take a look at the like statement now, and we're going to tie it in with our where. So we can say where customer code is like, and for example, let's say we knew it started with an S. We could say S percentage. So what it's going to do now is going to bring back anything that starts with S. And there we go. We can see it's bringing back those. If we wasn't too sure what the starting letter was, but we knew what the middle one was, we could say bring back anything that has 2 zeros inside of it. And there we go. It's going to bring back everything that has at least 2 zeros. We can also say we know that the second letter or digit in this case is going to be 0, so we can put 2 underscores 0%, and it's going to bring back anything that has a 0 in the second space. So there's many ways you can play around with the like function.